In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track order on Dhgate. If you're waiting on a package and want a quick, reliable way to see where it is, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do and what to expect as you check your shipment's progress. First, open your preferred web browser and go directly to dhgate.com. Typing the address yourself helps ensure you land on the official site rather than a search result that could lead to a regional mirror or a cached page. Give the home page a moment to load and make sure you see a secure connection indicator in your browser. This helps protect your account details while you're viewing your orders. Next, look toward the top right corner of the page for the profile icon. It usually appears as a small person's silhouette and may display a greeting when you're signed in. Click that icon to open the drop-down menu. If you aren't signed in yet, the site may prompt you to log in first. Be sure to use the same account you used to place the order, especially if you've shopped with more than one email address before. From that profile dropdown, select My Orders. This takes you straight to your order dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your purchases organized by the most recent activity. Each order typically shows the store name, a product image, the order number, the date you placed it, and the current status, such as processing, shipped, or delivered. For orders that have already been shipped, you'll also see tracking details appear on this page as the carrier provides updates. On the My Orders page, the shipment status updates as the package moves through the carrier's network. Early on, it's common to see limited scans or a label-created message. That simply means the carrier has received the shipment information and the first physical scan is coming. International orders often update in batches, so don't be alarmed if there's a gap between scans. It can take 24 to 72 hours after the seller marks the item as shipped for the first scan to appear. If you have multiple purchases, the dashboard helps you quickly confirm which package you're checking by comparing the order number and date. Some orders ship in more than one parcel, and the page may list separate logistics entries for the same order. If the status seems outdated, refresh the page after a short while and confirm you're signed into the correct account. That's all there is to it. Go to dhgate.com, open the profile dropdown, and choose My Orders. Your shipment progress will be visible right on that page so you can track your package with confidence from purchase to delivery.